Guys, this is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the band holders on a Charge 3. Let's begin. So, for instance, if your Fitbit's broken, it's broken on the end over here and you want to replace the bands and the band holders, go ahead and pop off the bands by just pressing the button underneath. And so these band holders usually break. If you hit something and something happens, it usually breaks. So let's go ahead and replace them. If you want to replace one side or both sides, it's pretty simple. Take a T2 screwdriver, unscrew the 2 screws. Set that aside. Make sure to just pull it out, don't pull down. And then there will be this spring that lets you take off the band. So the spring, don't lose the spring. Let's go ahead and just take off the other side too. Same thing goes for this one. Carefully take it off. There you have it. They're off. Since these are good, I'll just put these back on. But usually, if you want to replace them, you just take your other set and just apply it pretty much backwards. Put that in. Also put that one in. Slides really easily. Screw in the screws. If this pops out, the more wider side goes on the bottom and it just sticks back into there. Slide it back up there. Then reapply that on. Screw in the screws. Put the bands back on. Opposite of the Fitbit logo with the hinge. Where the Fitbit logo's at, the adjuster. There you have it. That is how you replace the bands and the band holders on a Fitbit Charge 3. Thanks for watching, guys.